Hey Encore team, I figured it'd just be easier for me to show you a video rather than just explain it. So first things first, you're going to go into YouTube and let's say I want to do this Duke Ellington, it don't mean a thing. Copy that link, control copy, or however you need to do it. Then you're going to go to Playposit and add a new bulb. Yeah, click on it. So input URL, put in the URL. And it's going to create it right there. And then here's where the important part is. At the bottom it says enable network bypass. By enabling Playposit network bypass of this content, you represent the warrant, and doing so not validate infringe anyone's rights. Obviously just be careful on what you're using, and as long as you're not making money off that, it really isn't an issue. Just click on that button and then click done. Then you can go through and add in your interactions and whatnot with it. So yeah, real quick, easy way, but it's been a lifesaver for me. Hope that helped you guys out.